A balanced diet refers to a type of diet that provides all the necessary nutrients, vitamins, and minerals required for good health in appropriate amounts and proportions. A balanced diet aims to provide the body with the right nutrients to support physical and mental health, prevent chronic diseases, and maintain a healthy weight. A balanced diet typically includes a variety of foods from all food groups, including fruits and vegetables. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber and provide the body with the energy it needs. Aim to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables each day to ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. Whole grains. Whole grains are a good source of fiber and provide more nutrients than processed grains. Opt for brown rice, whole grain bread, and whole grain pasta. Lean proteins. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes, are essential for building and repairing tissues. Try to include a source of lean protein in every meal. Healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are important for maintaining heart health and supporting brain function. Dairy or dairy alternatives. Dairy or dairy alternatives, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, are good sources of calcium and other important nutrients. In a balanced diet, it is important to limit the intake of foods high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and salt. These foods can contribute to chronic health problems, such as heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. It is also important to control portion sizes and eat only until you are satisfied, not until you are full. Drinking plenty of water and limiting sugary drinks can also help maintain a healthy weight and prevent chronic diseases. It is important to note that the specific composition of a balanced diet will vary based on individual needs and factors such as age, gender, and activity level. A registered dietitian can help determine the right balance of nutrients for an individual's specific needs. In conclusion, a balanced diet is a crucial aspect of maintaining good health and overall well-being. By including a variety of foods from all food groups in moderate amounts, the body receives the right amount of energy and nutrients it needs to function properly.